Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea and Art. So let's make a quick flower tutorial. So I'm pouring my resin here and it's a high viscosity resin, 1 to 1. Using my heat gun carefully to remove the bubbles. And just a spray of isopropyl alcohol that I have been suggested many times for removing air bubbles. And I am using silver foil to in the center of the flower. And now the white pigment paste that I mixed into 10 ml of resin, just a little bit, and now I will be making petals. Every time I try new petals and new design to see what different style of flower I get. So this time I'm doing making petals. This is actually one of my previous technique, but I am doing it with different resin and different white paste, epoxy paste, just to see how the results come out. Because I need to see that every time using different resin and different white pigment paste give different results. Hence, some of you when ask me that you are not getting the same results, it's sometime because of the resin and the pigment paste you are using. So here I just wanted to check that if it's possible to get the same effect with the different resin. So I am very slowly drawing the petals. And after carefully drawing the petals, I will be making a swirl like this. And then I will be separating the petals. So you have seen me making this flower, this style of flower before, and before I got very beautiful transparent petals with this technique. So I wanted to see that if I can get it again with a different resin and different white pigment paste. Now we let it cure. So this is the next day and let's demold. I can already see there that flower is a bit different from the previous one. So this is how it turned out. It's beautiful on its own way and it's still wispy, but the style of the flower is a bit different, but I still like it. So again, I will be top coating it. And after doing the top coat, I am adding this holographic mold on the top of the coaster. So in the start, I put this one onto the coaster, but later on I removed it and I added another design of the holographic mold that you will see in a moment. So that was another design and this is the circular design. So I prefer to use this one. So I just changed it. This is how it turned out. Adding a layer of magic to the flower. So what I'm doing next is I am adding a gold layer, and for this I will be using this gilding paste, and I will be applying very thickly onto the sides of the coaster, making it a rough agate look. And after applying this paste, I will let it to dry until it's crystal clear. So this is my favorite part, as a lot of you know that I use this mirror foil a lot in my work. So I will be applying this generously to the coaster, making a very thick gold. So this was the final step of applying the gold leaf, and after this I am done. So this is the finished coaster, and I hope you like it. I really made it a bit rustic and raw, and the edges are not so smooth, so this is giving it a character that I really like and enjoy to create. Of course I like the fine sharp edges, but I am more an artist, so I like to make my creation look like they are handmade. And I really love this gold, the depth it's giving to the coaster. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please let me know in comments, and also please give me a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed, please do consider subscribing. I will be creating more videos for you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.